Welcome to How to Internet. In this video I will explain you how to add money to your PayPal account. It is very easy, so let's start. First, go to the PayPal website and log in as usual. On the left side, press Add Money to add money to your account. Then select a pay method for your payment to PayPal. I will pay for this example directly from my bank using Ideal. Now you will go to a PayPal website for your transaction with the bank. Press Login to log in to your PayPal account. This extension from PayPal needs permission to add money to your account. Press Agree. Now select the amount of money that you want to pay using this payment method. I choose €10. Then select the bank you have to make the payment from. Now follow the steps from your own bank to complete the transaction. It takes a short time to verify your payment, but now you have added money to your PayPal account. You can also connect your bank to PayPal to do even faster money transitions. And that's how to add money to your PayPal account using Ideal. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more tutorials, check and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we see you next time. Bye bye.